Ready for the next video?
Ugh.
What are you wearing?
What are you wearing?
Ugh. We need a new wardrobe. Go. Milk Carrion saves the day again, and this time we each got packages from our Gothic. Let's go see what we got. First thing out of the bag is this piece here. This is the Gothic Blue Rose cinched A-line dress. Very similar to one of the ones from the first video I got. This is a 2X. I got it for $19.99. Let's go try this on. Very beautiful, perfect fitting. Love the sex appeal in this one with the cinching up in the front. Christoph's a fan. Great design. This was part of their Valentine's Day collection.
I'm in love.
Love the blue roses. Christoph's going to try on one of his pieces next.
So for my first outfit, I have a colorful drop melted skull shirt. I got in 2X size, and it costs about $19.99. Give you guys a good look at this. So let's go try it on and see how it looks. All right. Well, again, I love this. The fit is really nice, very soft, very comfortable. Love the design. Kind of reminds me of one of my favorite comic book characters. I'm sure you can guess which one. It's very colorful. Not something I would normally wear, but I gotta admit, I dig it.
I love color on you, Christoph.
Thanks, Countess.
My next piece is a Gothic Rose Flower Print Patchwork 2-in-1 dress. This one's also in a 2X. $19.99 was the price. So this is like a shirt and camisole combo. Let's go try this one on. Very nice. I would wear this with plain pants rather than a patterned pant. I bought this one for office. That corporate goth look.
Countess, you're staying late tonight.
Kind of looks like a blazer and a cami underneath. It's very comfortable. It's very lightweight, so it won't be too warm in the office, and I think this is great. The fit is perfect too.
For outfit number 2 for Christoph, we have the Gothic turn down collar fire skull print. Let's see how this one goes. Alright. Well, once again, the fit is really nice. Very soft again. I really like this. Love the pattern on it again. Black and white. It looks great. I am exceedingly happy with this one.
Yeah, that's fire. My next purchase is the Gothic Spider and Spiderweb print cinched A-line dress. Also got this guy in a 2X for $19.99. We got 10% off our total order, by the way. Let's go try this guy on. I think this cinched A-line pattern dress is my favorite pattern from them. I now have 3 dresses like this, and I love how they always fit. I love how they can go from, you know, normal everyday to a little sexy. If you wanted to show off a little bit. They're all very soft and very, very comfortable. I could easily wear these to the office and then out on date night. Let's see what Christoph's got next.
Alright, so for my last piece, I have the Gothic Galaxy Skull, Sun, Moon, and Star button-down shirt. This is also in a 2X, and it was $19.99. Let's see how this one looks.
It's celestial.
Alright, so once again, the fit is great, very comfortable. Love the pattern, very galactic. I would definitely wear this out on definitely date night, or I could even wear this in the office probably. So, I believe the Countess is up next.
I like that it's got a witchy vibe. You could wear it when we're doing any of our witchcrafting videos.
Absolutely.
Purchase is a Gothic embossed flower PU panel buckle ruched corset A-line dress. $10. I did get this one in a 3X because of the corset panel that comes in it, just to see it, so I have a more comfortable fit. Let's see how she looks. Wow, look how sexy this is. So, I'm glad I went with the 3X, otherwise the corset panel would not have fit underneath my breast size. I'm going to have these tied up somehow because I don't really like the dangling strings. The fit on this is very comfortable. It's actually a nice soft crushed velvet, and it's really hard to see, but it has a like embossed Baroque.
I think you broke, Christoph.
Damask pattern, that's what the word I'm looking for on it. I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see it. Very comfortable. I will definitely be wearing this on a date night. My next one is a Gothic lace up ruffles cold shoulder dress. I also got this in a 3X because of the built-in corset. This one is also on clearance for $10. Kind of interesting to see how this is gonna look. Not quite sure about it. According to the tag, this is actually from Rose Gal, not Rose Gothic, which could be part of the reason they're on clearance. Let's see how she looks. Really, really love this one. This one has that Ren Fair vibe. I'm probably going to replace the cord on the corset because this is just a cheap, crunchy satin ribbon. I'll do some nice rope. But this is very comfortable. A little challenging to get into. There's a lot of under layers, and this was flipped around to the backside. So at first I thought it was manufactured wrong, but once I figured it out, it's great. Love the size. Wow. Really glad I got a 3X again for my bust size. Very comfortable.
Wow.
Are we off to the Ren Fair this summer?
We are off to the Ren Fair.
Perfect. This one is for a little more fancier night out. This is the Gothic silver stamp mesh hem dress in red. I also got this one in the 3X because of the built-in corset. I like to be more comfortable when those are included. So this one was also $9.99 on clearance. Let's go give her a try. This is really beautiful. Glad I got a 3X in this as well. This is really nice for those really hot summer night ice cream dates out with Christoph. Again, I'm probably going to replace the tie on the corset. I'm glad I got the 3X for size. This one is a little smaller than the rest of the ones that I've gotten, so 3X is perfect for this size. Cannot believe this is on clearance for $10. It's so well made. The top is nice velvet with a embossed silver star pattern that sparkles, and the leather on it is, it's artificial leather. It's leather, but the mesh skirt is really nice, and the hem is really dramatic with the handkerchief cut. I feel like a fairy.
Thomas, we can't go on ice cream dates, and now they won't let you in. You're too hot.
Oh, you think I'm going to melt all the ice cream?
Absolutely.
I do that anyway.
Yeah, she does.
The final piece of clothing I got is a Gothic skull mesh panel O-ring cutout t-shirt. I bought this one also at $9.99. Also in a 3X because of the built-in paneling and the cute little mesh overlay. This is just a shirt, but I thought I could get away with this for office wear too. So let's try this one on. Okay, this is super cute. I love the little mesh rug that is attached with the skull crochet work. Super adorable. The fit on this is great. Really glad I got a 3X instead of a 2X like I normally would. I like the detail in the front here. I could easily get away with wearing this top at the office. It's super cute and stylish.
Once again, what makes the outfit beautiful is the countess herself.
Okay, so overall, we give our Gothic 5 corpses. Really, really love them. What was your favorite piece, Christoph?
Well, for you, honestly, I would say this one definitely is a great. Yeah.
This is your favorite?
I said one of.
I need you to pick your ultimate favorite.
Probably the corset one.
There's 3 of them. The red one, the white one, or the black one?
The black one.
A black corset piece. Okay, that makes sense. For me, my favorite is still this cinched A-line dress. It's the most comfortable pattern. That's why I got 2 more. I could easily see myself wearing those all the time. I'm really starting to love the dresses from them.
Absolutely.
I don't normally wear dresses in my day-to-day life, but these are making me a dress fan. I love the fit on all of them. My only critique would be the shipping time.
Yes.
They do typically take a couple of weeks to get in when you place your order, but I love their sales. They have a sale literally every week. They always have a decent coupon that you can use, so you can get good quality Gothic wardrobe for plus size and men and women's. Men's are limited to shirts and sweatpants at the current moment, but I hope they will expand that and get some nice coats. Right now they have a couple of shirts I've got my eye on that are kind of like black and white pinstripe, Wednesday Addams, Beetlejuice looking. One of them has like longer lapels. It's a little more pricier than I like to spend at $29.99, but I'm literally looking forward to maybe getting it, but we'll see. All right.
Well, I would just like to add to what the counts of these shirts are definitely very comfortable. The fit is great. They're nice and it looks more fitted than it feels, is what I can say.
This looks like a very breathable material too. The soft is super silky and soft. So wrinkle free, by the way, which is an excellent bonus for us because in an apartment we really don't have the room for an ironing board. I mean, I have one, but it's a pain. Hassle to get out of the maintenance closet. But yeah, the wrinkle free is great. I love the material. I could cuddle up to Christoph in this all night. It's super soft.
Well, you cuddle up to Christoph all night otherwise too.
What was your favorite shirt pattern?
Honestly, the melted skulls one. I just surprised how much I like that one.
Yeah, because when I was thinking about ordering it, you were like, Now that it's here and you see it in person, you love it.
Yes, I do.
Great. Well, thank you for joining us for this Our Gothic try-on and review. Give us a big thumbs up if you like what you saw today.
Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab.
And be like those bats in the belfry and make sure to hit that bell. You always get notified.
Thanks for joining us today on this little fashion show of ours. And we'll see you in the lab next time. Bye.
Good evening, mortals.